Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to come and meet all of you today. As both Venzi and Atishi ji told you, yes, I have come here for 3-day visit for campaign for ZP elections. But last night, I arrived in Goa, and while we were coming to a hotel, Venzi was sitting in my car and he said that, sir, can we meet the taxi drivers? I said, of course we can meet them. So this was not a part of the scheduled meeting. And it's just, in Hindi we will say, dil ka dil se rishta hai, heart to heart. Aam Aadmi Party is not a rich man's party. Aam Aadmi Party is a common man's party, poor man's party. So we care for you. So I have come here not for any political purpose. I have come here not to ask you for your votes. I know you will all vote for Aam Aadmi Party. But I have not come here to ask for your votes. I have come here to greet you, meet you, and tell you that we care for you and you mean a lot to us. I know you have several issues. You will acknowledge that there is only one MLA in entire Goa who raises the issues of taxi drivers in assembly. Who is he? Venzi. Venzi is the only MLA who raises the issues of taxi drivers in assembly. Venzi has done a lot of works. Right now, you spoke about it. Someone else you spoke about it, that he has done a lot of work for taxi drivers, including toilets, etc., etc. We will keep on raising your issues till such time we come to power. And when we come to power, whichever government came to power, this party or that party, they created systems in such a way that a common man was harassed and he was forced to indulge in wrongdoing. They will force you to indulge in wrongdoing, and then they will harass you, and all the authorities will come and harass you. We will change the systems in such a way that those people who want to make an honest living, they can make an honest living, and you don't have to do wrong practices, or you don't have to do anything wrong to do things. So therefore we will come and change policies, we will do everything, and Venzi will always be there with you. We have to protect the culture of Goa. These taxi stands are basically Goan, part of Goan culture. And you all are ambassadors of Goan tourism. Taxi drivers are the first, as soon as a person lands in Goa, the first person he meets is a taxi driver. So you are the ambassadors of Goan tourism. We all are with you, and I've come here to wish you all the best and greet you, and I've come to just meet all of you. Thank you so much. Good morning.